Right guys, I've been asked to have a look at this Ideal. It's an Ideal Classic. It's not firing up, nothing. Tripping electrics according to the customer. The customer thinks it's that fan. So I can't even get it to light up yet. Just gonna check the voltage over here. I got the bad feeling that the fan probably is gone, but it's blown the board as well. That's the bad news, that is, if it is that. But hopefully it's not. Just gonna check in now. So I'm gonna do my checks over here. Very live neutral and that. I'm going in off position. I don't think the fuse in there is gone because that comes on, lights up. Yeah, but it's here. So I'm gonna check the fuse here. Check that, not fuse, sorry, the power. I've got the feeling, let's see. There's no power coming in, then it's probably that program was faulty or the room start. So guys, I got it fired up. The fan's running up here. It's not tripping electrics. And remember I said to you, I think the circuit board's an issue as well. No power coming to it. The reason there was no power coming to it is because I'll let you know in a bit what are the issues on this boiler. Okay. So you're heating up the hot water now. So guys, what's happening, right? I've come upstairs. It's a big tank, this is, isn't it? Right, anyway, definitely don't need that big of a tank in this house. Anyway, what's happening, right? Can you see water here? Can you see how that's leaked from here? Can you see water marks? It's leaking from this diverter valve. Okay, can you see that water? Yeah, this baby is leaking. So hence why the electrics is tripping on this boiler. And they thought the fan is gone on it. He thought the fan's gone on it. But it's actually, it's not. It's this diverter valve. So we're going to have to get a new diverter valve, which is a Drayton, change it for them. And hopefully that will resolve the issue. Right guys, I've got the power off downstairs. Just gonna make sure, taking the fuse off downstairs, so just making sure, right, no issues. Right, we're changing this baby here, and we're changing it to that one, exactly the same. The other thing is leaking, so I'm gonna open that and drain it down from here. I already drained it down, sorry, got the pipe on. Now, just gonna give it about a minute, hopefully. Until then, I can change the wire, can't I? So sometimes I just change the head on them, but unfortunately you can't do that because it's leaking here. Okay, it's got a leak on it. Now I might as well change the oil for them. So I'm going to do like for like, yeah, exactly the same wires there. So just going to change it like for like. Right guys, rewired the old one, the new one in. Taking the old one out. The old one's out. There's the old one. That's that. Rewired the new one in. All I gotta do is put this in now. That's it. And that way. It goes in that way. If I remember correctly. Well, it's there anyway. Okay, so I've put some PTV tape on it, just in case here. Put it on the bottom end. I'm gonna do the same to the bottom end. No water's coming out, just keeping it there just in case there's a bit of water coming out. There's none coming out. The bottom that's gonna come off, and that's it. I'm gonna put the new one in. Right then. Ready to put it on. Can't remember, I got some more PTV on that as well. Right. Yeah. And the bottom one's going to go. I need both hands for this. So I'm going to switch the camera off, put on the bottom right one, then the top one, and then tighten it at the end. Right, cut that in, cut that in. Just going to hand tighten it. Once I'm satisfied with that. Okay, and stiffen it. Don't worry, it's not cross threading, so I'm just going to be stiff. So choose a spanner. And that's. So guys, I'm going to tighten it now. Yeah, I'm going to have to switch the camera off for that. Switch the camera, I'm just going to tighten it up now. Right guys, it's all tightened up now. So solid. If it leaks, but I've tightened it. And if it leaks, I'm just going to tighten it a bit more. It's solid there anyway. Okay. So, shouldn't be any problems with it. Alright, time to fill it up. Right guys, when I drain the system down now, I'll close that gate valve so it doesn't keep on filling while I'm draining it. So now, it's ready to open it now. Oh, that's stiff, man. Excuse me. Right, guys. We're now draining the system down. Right, I close that gate valve there. Right, now I'm ready to open it. So it's going to refill the system. It's a header tank upstairs. Guys, by opening the gate valve, it didn't really do much, so I had to come into the loft and realign the ball valve on the header tank. So because it's stuck, so once I've realigned it, it started refilling. Okay. Now I'm going back. Yeah, I'm fine. Right, guys, I'm checking it out. It's not leaking or anything. Sound and sound. Okay, that's what I'm satisfied with that. We're now gonna go downstairs. Running up and down the stairs keeps me fit. My ass. Right, go downstairs and switch the boiler on. Right guys, ready to put the fuse in now, yeah. So this opened, I'll put the fuse in and hopefully, and that's it. Now we're going to put the heating on. I'm going to test the hot water off because we're confident that works fine. Yeah. It's fired up now. So it's fired up on central heating. I'm going to give him about 10 minutes. Make sure all good. And then I'll be out of here. Okay. Now obviously there's air in the system. I'm just going to clear it out. If you guys remember right at the beginning, it wasn't firing up on the heating. Now it just quickly fired up. So. Right guys. Diverter valve's on. Not leaking. Pump is on. Fire. Right. So it's not leaking anymore. Okay. Pump's activated. No more gurgling. System's filled up. Just ready for warming up. So all good now. This rate is warming up, so it's all good now. Right guys, the boiler's working fine now. It's all okay. The radiator, the central heating is working fine. It's not tripping the electrics. And before, if you remember, I had the hot water on. And that was the only thing that was working. The central heating wasn't because of the diverter valve. So it's all working fine now. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham, Vaillant Fix.